guys, it's the WCS here today, and we're playing short horror stories with Strawberry Panda 123. So let's get started. Okay, so
I played this once a few times before. I have no clue how to beat it, but I know just.
okay, let's just get it. Wee! Oh my god! I wonder.
Yeah. Oh yeah, warning for y'all. There's probably some blood and that creepy doll. That's a mannequin. But
Yeah.
sure. The game calls the doll, so it's a doll.
Oh my god! The doll is just freaky looking.
Yeah, I've played this before, so I'm not that scared, except for when they're literally crawling on the ground trying to murder you once.
I played this a long time ago. It has changed.
So, we're trying to steal money.
God, those are freaky. I'm gonna...
Okay, you can turn those on and off. I played this like a few months ago. I never played this alone.
Yeah, we're supposed to steal stuff, right?
Okay, there's money in here. Okay, I'll be the first one out. Once we both leave, when we come back in here, they're gonna be moved.
Oh, I don't like this.
Oh, don't worry, I know the story. You can find these notes, look this note, read it. I'm going crazy. She's coming for me. She's in these mannequins.
Yeah, I've played this, but it's been a long time since I played it.
Well, maybe the viewers don't know stuff, so we still have to read it.
Yeah.
But I still remember the story quite vaguely. So probably, I haven't read all the notes, like, I'm stuck at a certain point, so they haven't rearranged yet, which is good for us. Alright, we have flashlights. There's a room in here we can go in, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, here we go. Okay, I'm going into the bathroom for the jump scare.
Oh.
Is there a jump scare in here? I don't remember exactly. But this is the bathroom. This is the kitchen. Whoops, wrong room. Hey, why are you doing that, buddy? Here's the bedroom. Painting. Oh, no. Let's go. Don't turn your back on the... yeah, I forgot that happened.
Huh.
Here's the note. Okay, I'm gonna grab the key. It's behind. It's behind. Nothing there. Nothing there. Crap, it was crawling behind us. I've never seen that before.
I am gonna freak out so much.
Oh, great. Little girl after, isn't that?
What the hell is that?
What the hell is what?
This.
Oh, it connects to the story. Connects to the story, probably. What? Oh, look, it's a... That wasn't there before, though. Hello, woman. Aren't you quite pretty one?
Oh, wow.
Are you the only one that's not creepy here?
Yep.
Steal,
Okay. Yep, we gotta take all the monies.
Never turn your back on them.
Mm-hmm.
Like Mark said, so... Take the coins. I have the hallway key, so we're gonna go into the hallway. So we don't want to go in the hallway.
Okay.
Or we have to go in the hallway, so... This is not the right hallway though. I think the other hallway though is over there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's it, actually, yeah. Open it. Flashlight. Okay.
Why'd you lock me out?
The mannequin's staring at us. Isn't that beautiful?
Oh!
I looked up and saw this disconnect from the ceiling of the hallway. Okay, you can zoom in on stuff. Okay.
Oh my god, I am freaking out too much.
Do you want me to open it? There. Not that scary. Got the key. I don't know what key that is.
Okay, that's the storage key. Read that.
I don't know where the storage room is. Oh god. Alright, beautiful. I know if baby mannequins in here somewhere.
Oh my god. I'm getting too freaked out.
If you get too scared, we're gonna end the video. How about that?
Sure. Wait, no, we can't. It's for the views.
Well, true. I don't know if ever we just play together. We're always just talking about most random things.
So true. What the hell?
Oh, what the? When you were 5 minutes, you can see what happened. But I finally uploaded. There's things there. I'm trying to walk.
Oh,
I'm
this
sitting up here for all you know, so tell me when you want me to open the door again.
Where are you? Aren't you coming back? Aren't you coming with me?
I'm trying to rob stuff, and you kind of ruined that.
No, come on. We're going.
Rob the bottle if we want to rob money, don't we? Rob the bottles.
Oh, you can.
I didn't know you could rob them before, so why not do it? Oh my god, the glass breaking. I got the glass. Do you want to grab them?
Okay, now we're
Now we're going down. So let's go. I'm expecting there to be some creepy dolls that left to murder us.
I'm gonna have my flashlight on.
I have mine. Hi, friend.
Keep
Me
it.
accidentally zooming in on it as soon as I see it.
Okay, there's the picture.
Oh wait, I haven't seen this before.
Oh my.
Bedroom. Picture. Bedroom.
Why did the music just stop?
Oh look, it's tomato-based gore. Yeah, it doesn't look so tomato-based, does it?
No, it doesn't.
But it is. I like mushrooms. Such a lovely thing to happen in such a creepy place.
Come on, we better get out of here now.
Wait for me, I don't want to be alone. What the hell?
God, I got freaked out.
I just want, hi buddy. Are you watching for me? I know at some point, one of them chases you, like rolling. Like some stupid possessed demon. I
Okay.
need money over here.
Okay, we're getting out of here. Don't leave me behind.
We're just trying to get money.
Strawberry, you better not leave me behind. I'm gonna die.
Okay, calm down.
There's a reason why I don't like to play horror games by myself.
And there's a reason that I do. I didn't know you could open that door. Oh, yeah, it probably just leaves out to that, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look, the mannequin's got replaced.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
Mannequin, 2 mannequins are gone. One's still here. Is it possible for a mannequin to be dead? Oh, hey, there you are, my beautiful lady. So, y'all, I have a night copy, as you can see in the Warrior Cat search video.
Here, I'm gonna read this. I killed my wife because she drove me crazy. She wanted me to make more dolls. One day I couldn't take it, and I slipped rat poison into her lunch and made a mannequin out of her.
There she is.
That's how she died?
Oh yeah, I remember this. Yeah. I forgot that cutscene happened with another nerd.
Okay, now we gotta find
Yeah,
the...
these dummies are chasing me. Please beware of these dolls. Golden carp. Not us stealing from a haunted house. Money. Oh, you got it before me. Good job.
Okay. Good.
Where are you?
I'm right here.
Okay.
Come on, let's go.
I just opened the door and everything went dark, so...
Huh.
Like, seriously, that happened as soon as I opened it. Why is everything... I've never made it through this point.
Same.
Go down to the basement and check the electrical panel. We need our flashlights for once in our
Oh,
life.
hell nah. Oh, this ain't, God, this is freaky.
Nah.
Did you just hear something move?
We're going back to the living room.
No, we're not.
I'm in the living room.
No, come on. Come on.
I just want to talk to these two dead mannequins.
Come on.
Sorry.
I'm not dying by myself.
You can't die.
Come on.
I've played this so many times, I've tried to kill myself in this game.
Okay, not this way. Come on, let's go.
But this way is the way. Hi, buddy. Can I close this?
Where are you?
Can I close this?
Nope, we have to go down.
I just closed my eyes as if this happened.
No, I'ma watch.
Oh man, I've seen it so many times. I can't see it. Yeah!
Oh my.
Oh wow. The perfect time. Hi buddy, why are you sneaking down here with me?
Strawberry, where are you?
I'm coming, I don't know where you are. I see you.
What's the...
Hey, buddy, I thought there was a mannequin sneaking down here with... Find the fuse. You find the fuse. I'll stay here and make sure nothing tries to kill us.
What's the fuse?
Fuse, I think it's up there in the wood room.
No, you're coming with me.
No, man, it's too creepy.
Come on.
Wait for me. Turn on your flashlight, too.
Did it move? Okay, good. It's just standing there. Okay, what's the fuse?
I think it was an item I tried picking up earlier. Well,
Okay,
picked it up before I figured out where it was. In my previous
close it.
one,
Close it.
collection.
Close it. Close it.
You close it.
I told you to close it.
Oh, buddy, you can walk through them. It's fine.
Do they kill us?
No, they can't kill us. I'm pretty sure.
Where did you go?
I don't know where we have to go. Oh, here it is.
Oh,
I can't
that's...
tell. Place fuse and turn on light.
Come on, let's go.
Okay, just take a step upstairs one more time.
Come on, let's go. I'm gonna watch it. It's following us.
I can see my face and the device I'm using, so...
Hurry up, Frisk. I'm hearing things.
Got it. Close. I'll replace the fuse. Give me map. Yay! Holy... Okay, cool. This thing turned its head on me. That thing just falls over. Because I figured out how to turn the lights on. Hi, friend.
Find the
Want to
key.
see this glorious beast?
Okay, come on. We gotta find this stupid key.
What key though?
Oh my god.
I don't think it's in the basement. It's not in the basement. I remember.
I'm gonna die.
Close it, close it, close it, close it. You close it this time. Well, man, you're gonna die. Wow, your light got cut off. Bravo.
Okay.
Beautiful, right?
Where do you think the key is?
I don't know. No, I think it's in the bedroom.
The bedroom? But that's where the, what's it called? Oh, the...
Whatchamacallit? We're not that bedroom, this bedroom. That looks like a key to me. Can I grab it? I think we need to figure out how to turn off this fire.
Oh yeah, it does.
I never figured out how to get that key, so that's where I get stuck. This is where I get stuck all the time. Could be in the other bedroom now. I never checked the other bedroom. I want to figure out how to take out that fire, so.
I'm gonna still take some money.
We don't see you, don't hear from you, don't even know where you are half of the time. He's slipping away and you're locked in the room. Why? Stop avoiding this and get to the hospital.
What?
I got a note in the kitchen. Can't grab anything from the fridge, but it's on the fridge over here.
Oh wow, that looks definitely tasty.
Oh, hi, friend. Our friend's here. Friend's here. And they keep moving. As if they can't see them. Staring at us.
Yeah.
Yeah, figure out how to turn off that fire. Could be in the other bedroom. You want to check the other bedroom?
Yeah. Since it seems like it doesn't really have like, it ain't like automatic, where you gotta find like some sort of like water or something.
Yeah. Ready 2 minutes since the store gone. There's a safe. Okay, it might be in a safe.
You gotta unlock it.
Yeah, that is comes as. Can we call someone? 911 answer! 911 is annoying us.
Yep. They don't want to deal with this.
They don't want to deal with haunted dolls, mannequins. Don't leave me. We gotta find some sort of way. Could we grab one of these bowls?
Oh, we haven't. No, wait, we've been over here.
I don't know where you are. Stop scaring me. Stop leaving me. I don't know where it could be.
You gotta like think where it like could be.
Hey, ugly friend. Can I grab it from the corner? I know that is obviously a key, y'all.
Here. Yeah, that is a key.
Like, I'm gonna zoom in for them to see it in case they can't see it.
Yeah.
But that is a key.
Wait, search the bookshelves.
Could there be a way in the bathroom? I don't want to go in the bathroom alone.
Why?
Warrior Catholics, get over here. Could be in the bathroom somewhere.
True.
Could be in the toilet. I mean, looks like someone forgot to flush. Nothing's behind me, mirror. I have a knife. I'm ready to defend myself. Next time a mannequin just randomly appears behind me, I'm stabbing it. book. It's a Roblox book.
Did I just hear something?
I didn't, but I just really did. Painting. Can we do anything with the painting?
Wait. If we
Where?
searched everywhere, does that mean we have to go back down to the basement?
I'm not going back down there.
Oh,
Could be in here. We don't go in here all softly. Like, can we just...
that was not
Hey!
right.
He doesn't seem very scared. He just seems like he's having a great time. It's still lost. Can we not interact with it? I've already tried. Oh, you like that?
Oh, where's the key? I wish there were more horror games like this.
Yeah, there are more horror games in this game though, so...
No, as in like in other Roblox games that like I've played a few of them. They're not as scary.
True. Also, this is the reason I play this one. I don't horror games don't scare me.
Yep. That now we're back here.
Unless it's like FNAF, then I'm not playing it. Forgive me, dear. Now I realize I've made a big mistake. Whoever reads this letter, I must confess what I have done. We didn't read that earlier. I found it!
You did? Okay, let's go back then.
Room key. What room could it be for? I'm pretty sure it's not the basement. It's a room key. Basically all it says.
Okay, then we're going back to the bedroom and see if that unlocks it.
The bedroom safe?
Yeah, the bedroom safe.
I'm already there.
Where did you go?
Oh, what did you unlock?
Where did you go? Frisk, where'd you go?
I'm in the room with the girl mannequin.
I'm trying to find that room. Oh, found you.
Where are you? Okay. What did you unlock?
Did you try unlocking it?
Yeah. Try. What did you unlock? It wasn't mine. So what did you walk by and maybe accidentally click? Show me where you went. Let's look at the rules and understanding. Dead now.
So where are we supposed to go? Does it unlock this?
No, but what did you click?
I don't know.
I think we found the wrong key.
Yeah,
We'll probably find the key.
That means we're gonna have to go back into this room.
Okay, I'm scared.
Okay, definitely not there. Definitely not there.
Maybe in the kitchen. I'm going to the kitchen. Where are you?
Oh, I'm over here.
Don't know where over here, but go in the kitchen.
But I'm searching.
Yeah, it's not creepy that the mannequin's still in the same spot.
I find it normal.
It's just staring at whoever comes in.
Yep.
Two things. Oh, stupid bench there in the kitchen. I'm not in the kitchen. I'm in the bedroom. But the other bedroom. There's 2 bedrooms. We should call it the piano room.
Okay.
Me. Play the piano. Alright guys, I'm just gonna stand here for a few seconds. I'm gonna play the piano and add it. Because I do have a keyboard, which is kind of similar to a piano, so basically a smaller version. So I'll do that. And there you are, finally. What is on your face?
What?
Oh, that's a pumpkin. Cute.
Wait. It's supposed to be.
Quick. I don't mind Bernie goes out to get it, but fine, whatever.
How are we supposed to get it?
I don't know. What the?
We gotta think outside the box.
Can I go inside a minute again? I'm inside the fireplace.
What?
There's something I can grab in here. I just want to grab it. You can look over there. Look over to your side. I gotta get closer to it. 1 second. Let me get in. Let me get closer to it. Take it out. And let me try to grab it.
Yeah, you.
Grab that. But you're also grabbing it from outside.
Wait, search for a light switch. What'd you do?
I figured it out. It's the safety. The safety. Let me see how I figured it out. I just did.
How did you?
I saw it from the inside, and the mannequin was also like reaching out to press it, so I'm assuming. And I went to open. I pressed it, and you can turn it off. Take a large sum.
Move! I gotta get some of that money.
I was grabbing it, and I was halfway there. Wait, it says something behind it. That's a piece of paper behind it. Basement. Huh? We're taking anything from the top? Okay, I'm grabbing the top, Bunny.
Okay.
You figured that out.
Basement. Ah, yeah. I know.
Can you figure out where that is?
Okay, let's go.
Okay, show me where it is. Where is that? That's what I'm telling you for some right now.
That means if I can remember the
The
way.
WCF is kind of weird, but yeah. Find a way out. I think that is the way out.
Right
If we can't open the
here.
doors like normal people, is it that right?
And then we
But
go
if
down
it's just for the
here.
first time within like 30 minutes.
This is definitely not going to be made for kids.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Is that where you think it is? Could be anywhere in this room, though. No way, you found it. This is not made for kids. This is lots of gore.
Well, I've never beaten this game before.
Me neither.
This is awesome. Oh, this is a maze. Okay, start going.
I'm following you.
Why are we going so slow? Oh, dead end.
I gotta die. I gotta die.
hope you